Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm reading The Odd Pet by Julia Donaldson, Level 2. Kim has a cat. Jim has a dog. But Viv has an odd pet. It is a zog, not a cat, not a dog, but a zog. The zog is fat. It has 10 red legs. It can run and hop. It can sit and beg. The zog has lots of eggs. The zog sits on the eggs. It sits and sits. Tap, tap, tap. Tap, tap, tap. Lots of zogs. Can I have a zog? Yes, but not yet. Can I have a zog? Yes, but not yet. Now Kim has a cat and a zog. Jim has a dog and a zog. And Viv has 10 zogs. Wow, the odd pet. I don't think it might be real, but this is fiction. So I think that's going to be the end of that. And now I'm reading Fish and Chips.